everybody, it's Christine and I'm going to do a video showing you how to use the new bow die. And as you can see, you can make these cute little bows. The small bow is 1.5 inches and the bigger bow is 2 inches. So the die comes with the big bow part, and then this little piece wraps around your bow. This piece here makes the ribbon ends, and then it also comes with this piece, so if you didn't want to do the fishtail ribbon end, you could do the square ribbon ends. So I already took the pieces and ran them through my Cuttlebug and cut them out. And I'm going to do the big bow in the red. I recommend taking something round to help create the bow shape, and I'm just using a stylus that I have. And so I'm just going to take it, and here where the bow bends, I'm just going to carefully shape this around. So then it kind of goes like that. Okay. And then I'm just using some Mono Multi liquid glue. And you're going to take these little end pieces and you're just going to pinch them back. And then you're going to fold it in. And then you take the little centerpiece and you're going to fold this in pretty much into thirds. And the middle section gets glued to the front of the bow. And then the two flaps wrap around the back. And then you just take this bow piece and you just glue it right on there. Or if you wanted to use these pieces, you could glue them coming down sideways like that or like that, or you can do both and have a bow like that. So I'm just going to use the fishtail one. And you could take the ribbon ends and you could do them in different colors. So here is card. This card uses the bigger sized bow. And then this card uses the smaller bow, and it's just such a cute size. And this card uses a smaller bow too. And then this card, I did the little bow in our Hearts and Dots paper pad. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions on assembling the bow die, please let me know. You can find me at www.c.c.designsrs.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.